Hi there, students. An ignoramus, a buffoon, and a simpleton. Well, in some way, these words all mean stupid, a stupid person, an idiot, a fool. Okay, an ignoramus is a person who is extremely ignorant. They do not know things that everybody should know. They don't have the knowledge to be able to talk about what they're talking about, but they probably are. An ignoramus is an idiot. It's somebody who is not informed. His decisions show that he is an ignoramus. He does not have an understanding of the basic facts. An ignoramus is capable of learning and finding things out. He's mentally capable. But either this information, this schooling is just not available to him, or they are too lazy to discover the things that they need to know. So an ignoramus makes decisions without having the basic knowledge in the subject. A buffoon is very different. This is the least stupid of the three. Firstly, a buffoon can just mean a clown. A clumsy clown who is ridiculous, who is ludicrous and makes us laugh. Okay, so a buffoon makes you laugh. A buffoon is normally amusing. A buffoon is an unintentionally ridiculous person. But we also use it to mean somebody who is so stupid. They do wrong things and they make people laugh at their stupidity, but they don't know that they are doing stupid things. Yeah, they are doing things because this is what they think is right, and everyone's laughing at what they're doing because it's just so ridiculously stupid. It's ludicrously stupid. The minister is a buffoon and everybody laughs at him behind his back. So a ridiculous character of ridiculous stupidity. And then a simpleton. This is somebody with a simple mind. They lack intelligence and common sense. Their faculties of logic and reasoning are impaired. Their logic is so basic that it's stupid. A simpleton cannot understand complex ideas. They are simple-minded and lack common sense, and very probably they have a very low IQ. They may even be of diminished responsibility. Okay, so if somebody is a simpleton, they are so stupid, or they're such a fool that it impairs with their ability to get on in life. He is such a simpleton. He falls for every trick they play on him. He's credulous and gullible. He believes directly what people tell him. Yeah, he doesn't believe that people could trick him. Okay, so maybe a simpleton, we should feel a little bit of compassion with the simpleton. The ignoramus less, and the buffoon, well, we could just laugh at him. So, an ignoramus, somebody ignorant and stupid. They don't know the basic things, but they're able to learn them. any ignoramus can be remembered by history if they carve their face into a mountain. Okay. An ignoramus, somebody who does not know the things that they should know. A buffoon, so stupid and clumsy that they make us laugh. Oh God, almost slapstick comedy. His buffoonery is constantly costing the company money. We have a buffoon as a CEO. And then a simpleton, naive and lacking common sense, not having the abilities of basic reasoning, or not being good at basic reasoning. He is a simpleton, and he will never understand many of the complexities of life. So, let's see. Formality. I think all of these words I would give a 6 in formality. I think maybe the one that sounds most literary is an ignoramus, but I think you could use all of these words anywhere, informally and formally. So that's easy. And then what about the origin? Well, ignoramus comes from the Latin word ignoramus, we do not know. Okay, we don't know. So an ignoramus does not know. A buffoon, this comes from Italian. I think you have the word buffone, which is a jester. This is the person who makes the king laugh, who dresses up in a funny costume. And I think this word buffoon is related to puff. And then finally, a simpleton. Well, it's simple plus ton, and this makes it sound like a surname. Singleton, Ashton. It's very common to add ton, which is short for Anthony, onto the end of a name, and it sounds like a surname. Okay, so simpleton. So an ignoramus, stupid because they haven't discovered the things or learnt the things that they should have learned. A buffoon, somebody who makes you laugh. The things they do are so stupid they make you laugh. Mr. Bean is a buffoon. And then a simpleton, somebody who lacks common sense. They lack basic reasoning, probably of a low IQ, and they only see things in a simple way. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ignoramus Buffoon Simpleton.